And today, June the 21st, marks Show Your Stripes Day. Now, you'll see a lot of these on social media. These charts that you see here, shown here, each stripe represents the temperatures of the last about century, even more than a century here in the city of Rockford. Now, the deeper the red colors are the higher above average or warmer than average each year was, and the deeper the blue color is the cooler than average. Now, notice this is around the 60s and 70s into the 80s, how we were mostly below average, and notice how as we steadily moved on into the 2000s, the 2010s, and now into the 2020s, how we're seeing more red on this picture. We're seeing the effects of climate change here in terms of above average temperatures, and this is now, heading into 2024, coming off of our warmest winter yet, and also one of the warmest starts to summer that we've had in quite some time. Still feeling that early summer heat wave, even as a warm front lifts across our area as of right now. Definitely just step outside and you'll feel the heat and humidity. Temperatures right now in the mid 80s, feeling more like the 90s. We'll get into the low 90s later this afternoon as this warm front continues to lift off to the north. But it's this front that also brings a chance for showers and thunderstorms. Now, the highest threat of any thunderstorms is off to our north into central Wisconsin, but just across the state line into far northern Illinois, we could have some isolated thunderstorms this afternoon. So watch out for that as you make your afternoon plans. Could have some gusty winds with a few of those, but otherwise just watch out for a brief downpour or two. So here's Future Track. It's not too impressed with the air across our area. It's more focusing the activity as you see there across central Wisconsin, but still could see a spotty thunderstorm across mainly far northern Illinois, and then overnight still could see some stray showers and storms, but again, up into Wisconsin is looking like where there's going to be the highest threat for any kind of thunderstorm activity this afternoon. So watch out for it nonetheless, but watch out for the heat too. 92 degrees for a high this afternoon, feeling more like the upper 90s, close to 100 at times, and also with not much wind, it's going to feel pretty stuffy out there. So keep the heat in mind as you make your afternoon plans. And tonight, we're only going to get down to the low 70s as skies stay mostly cloudy, and we could have a stray shower across the area, though most do stay dry heading into tomorrow morning. But here's Future Track at about noon. Going to have some spotty showers rolling in, and then the main activity comes into the evening. It's going to be coming in ahead of a cold front. Notice how we have some more widespread, stronger storms. This is a potential for some severe weather, level 2 out of 5 risk across much of the area. Damaging winds the primary threat, though we can't rule out some hail and the possibility of a tornado or two. Once that front comes through, notice how we start to cool things off heading into Sunday. Going to be a beautiful day, and in the most accurate 10-day forecast, we'll enter a period where we start to see warming temperatures and then thunderstorms returning. There you see on Tuesday, cooling back off again. So a classic summer-like pattern with above average temperatures heading into next week, Manny.